Yo, today I'm about to show you guys one of my favorite Korean places to eat in Jersey version. Let's go. So this is a local spot in Koreatown, Jersey. This is my secret spot that I usually go with my wife. This place is a hole in a wall, but everybody around this area who are from Bergen, Jersey County, they know about this place. But I'm about to put you guys on game. Let's go. Ooh. Yo, you see this? They got like 깻잎. I don't even know. They got so many different kind of variety of SSAMBAP. Everybody's asking, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? So today I decided let's just share the location and what this place is about, you know?
Now, what is exactly SSAMBAP?
So sam means wrap and pop means rice. So it basically means wrap and rice, just like that. Even from ancient times, Korean people used to eat SSAMBAP all the time. But back in the days, they really didn't really eat it with any meat. They just ate it with a lot of vegetables and rice. Because, you know, like meat and seafood was kind of rare.
So then who had the chance to eat SSAMBAP with seafood and beef?
So back in the days, like laborers, farmers usually used to eat the sam just with some vegetable and rice. But more the royal family used to eat it with premium meat and seafood. So basically, nowadays, we get to live like royalty. What a crazy times, you know? All right, let me make the perfect wrap. So when you make a wrap, it's one bite, right? So you want to make sure it's not too big. And then here I'm gonna throw a little perilla leaf. There you go. See this right here? It's gonna be a big bite. So I'm gonna take the butcher from this fish cake. Dip it in the sauce. Can you show me the sauce? That's right. Yeah. Let's go. One bite, baby. One bite. So this is basically Korean barbecue, but with a lot of wrap. You ever see this? I'm sure you saw it. I first came here with Terry. He was my little mukbang buddy.
Did he tell you all like the local spots that only locals know?
Yeah, well, he's from here, you know? I don't know if you guys know, but Bergen County, Jersey has the highest Korean population per capita in America, which is insane. Especially like places like Fort Lee, Palisade, Leonia. Mad Koreans. So the food scene in New York is great, especially Flushing, you know? But when I'm comparing it to like New York, like Koreatown and Manhattan, I think they're more commercialized because they're in Manhattan. Or you come across the bridge right here in Bergen County. Very authentic, very original. Like I literally just heard the table behind me saying like, oh, it tastes like Korea. I don't even know if I'm gonna mix it. I think that's good. That's good. I feel shy right now. Stop it. This one is packed with. I love 깻잎.
It's a must when it comes to SSAMBAP.
I need gochu. Actually, they don't give you gochu till you ask for it. Not like a hot gochu, you know? 이거 어떻게 먹으라는 거야? 칼도 없는데. 와.
I guess I should have guessed it.
어쨌든
바보 같아.
Fire. You ever watch like Song Young stuff or?
No, it's too. I don't know. I feel like it would just put me to sleep.
Wow. I don't really watch anyone, to be honest. I think my strength is that I don't watch anyone. And I just do stuff on my own way, on my style. But that's also like my flaw. My mindset is like, the last thing I want to do is watch people cook and eat when I'm not working. Yeah, so most people know Korean barbecue, but they don't know SSAMBAP. And most people make a ssam when they go to a Korean barbecue. You know what I mean? Most people, when they go to Korean barbecue, they make a ssam, but I don't think they ever actually seen an actual SSAMBAP, which is, the main is actually the wrap. This is a great deal for like $40, no? So SSAMBAP comes with spicy pork, mad different type of vegetables and wraps, and the side dish, and the 된장찌개. Oh, and the ssam. We didn't even really touch the banchan, the side dish, because there's so much vegetables, you know? How would you rate this?
I would rate this a 10.
10?
Yeah.
Damn. Jana said the same thing.
She has good taste. How would you rate it?
Say 9 out of 10.
What is that missing one key? Or 1 point?
The cheuk is not my favorite. The cut could be a little thinner. You know what I mean?
Nah, you're like full on chef mode.
I actually just saw someone make a post like, hey, what's a good affordable Korean barbecue to eat in New York, Manhattan? Say come across the bridge, try the SSAMBAP for $40. Talking like I doing promotional video here or I work here. But yeah, came here with Janet and my wife. We just posted and everybody's asking, where is this, where is this, where is this? So today I decided like, let's just share the location and what this place is about, you know? So yeah, I love coming to Jersey to check out new restaurants. If you guys enjoy this video and you guys want to see different type of Koreatown or a little tour of a Koreatown in different cities, different area, comment below and we'll go eat there. And maybe I'll be a little less shy. But right now we cross the street to go to CVS because I wanted to save $1 or $2 on the soda, you know what I mean? They got PBgo CVS too now. PBgo japchae is amazing. But you can also learn how to make it from scratch on my YouTube. I gotta get the 2 for $5. That's why I need y'all to comment, like, share, so I get some YouTube money, man. I don't know what you guys think about this episode. In my mind, I was gonna go in there like, yo, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be introducing you to this fire Korean SSAMBAP place where sam means wrap and pap means rice. I thought that's how it was gonna go, right? But I was like, yo, this place is good. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't ever shoot videos in public, so I'm still shy. I'm still getting used to it. But hopefully, see, someone's passing by and I'm like, I get shy. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys want to see more of touring in Koreatown, let me know. And I might just tour around Koreatown, showing you guys the best spots to go eat. Yeah, but